Need to add a new credit card or payment method to your Apple ID. Here's how to do it fast and easily. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Open the Settings app and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Next, tap Payment and Shipping. You might be asked to sign in. Tap Add Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment option like credit or debit card, UPI, net banking, or wallet balance. Depending on your region, enter your payment details. If you're adding a card, you can either type the number manually or use the camera to scan it. Confirm your billing address and tap Done when everything looks good. That's it. Your new payment method is now added to your Apple ID and can be used for App Store purchases, subscriptions, and more. Like and subscribe for more Apple how-tos.